everyone, welcome back to In the Kitchen, where today we're diving into a delicious adventure that's not only tasty, but it's full of steam fun. I'm the chef for the day, Avrey Charles, and I'm super excited to show you how we're turning simple cinnamon rolls into adorable turkey swirls. Now, what's cool about this kit, it's not just about baking. It's a steam-packed experience. STEAM stands for science, technology, engineering, art, and math. So, let's get ready to mix, measure, and maybe even do a little bit of turkey engineering. The first step in our steam-tastic adventure is measuring our ingredients. We've got all the dry ingredients right here in this nifty kit. It's like a little scientist's dream. So, we are measuring precisely to make sure our cinnamon rolls turns out just right. Remember, in the world of baking, precision is key. That's science for steam. Now that our dough is ready, it's time to put on little engineering hats. The oven is like a kitchen or laboratory, turning our carefully measured ingredients into something magical. And of course, the sweet smell is just an added bonus. Now comes the fun part, decorating. We got these awesome candies that'll help us transform our cinnamon rolls to the cutest turkeys you ever seen. That's where the art and creativity in steam comes to play. Check it out, we're making these turkey faces with these candies. It's like engineering a tasty masterpiece. Don't forget, we're using math to make sure the turkey has the right numbers of eyes, beaks, and feathers. And there you have it, our steam-inspired turkey swirls. We combine science, technology, engineering, art, and math to create something delicious and adorable. I hope you had as much fun as I did. Thanks for joining me in the kitchen. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share your steam baking adventures with me. Until next time, happy baking and stay tuned!